Hello to you, my people. Welcome back to Music and Country Life. Today's herb is the poke root. Now, before I go any further, you can take this time. Leave me a thumbs up. Remember to leave your comments. Let me know if you know of this herb, if you have taken this herb, and remember to share. Click that subscription button below if you have not yet joined the family. Yes, join the family and you will definitely enjoy the journey. This herb is native to North America, the Midwest, and the Gulf Coast. This is used in traditional cuisines and also in Chinese medicine. This herb in its fresh state is said to be poisonous. Hence, what they do is to boil this herb repeatedly to remove the poisonous toxins and then enjoy it in their meal. Now for the root. As the plant begins to die, the roots are harvested and placed to dry. And this is what you get. You may know this herb as cancer root, pigeon berry, poke salad, or American nightshade. Enjoying poke root herb in this state is safe, and it's a tea that I really enjoy. Now for the benefit. Many use it to stimulate their bowel movement. It's excellent for skin disease, joints pain, acne, painful menstruation for the ladies, skin cancer, mumps, and based on its inflammatory properties, it's excellent for relieving pain and swelling. It promotes healthy breasts. It helps to dissolve fibrocystic areas when you make it into a poultice and place on to the breast. If you're struggling with tonsillitis or laryngitis, it's excellent for that. It lubricates and maintains the mucous membrane of the throat while alleviating pain, inflammation, and scratching. Now, you can enjoy the poke root into a tea by putting 8 to 10 ounces of water to boil, that's 1 cup, and using 1 teaspoon of the dried poke root herb, place it into a cup and pour your hot water onto the herb. Allow it to steep for 5 to 7 minutes and you will enjoy a really potent good mix. Thank you for joining the Music and Country Life family. Remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy. Now stay tuned, stay connected for another awesome, informative, and exciting Country Life video.